Have you been dreaming of a luxury beachfront home, steps away from white sands and beautiful surf? Welcome to Casa Guayacan. We are in the gated community of Hacienda Pinilla in a really special section called Coralis. And here we are at number 5. This home is beautiful, it's brand new, it's luxurious, and has the best views. I can't wait to show you. Please enjoy this property tour with us today. This beautiful home spans 2 floors. It is 6,000 square feet. There's a total of 7 bedrooms, each have their own bathroom. There are 5 downstairs, 2 upstairs, and there's plenty of social areas. In fact, this place sleeps 22 people and there's enough room for everyone. Casa Guayacan is meant to enjoy outside. There are teak ceilings and there's a huge wraparound terrace. Here you can relax in the hammock, you can dine outside in the barbecue area, or you can soak up the sun and the incredible views here at Hacienda Pinilla. It's very rare to find a second-story pool, and this one makes an L shape. It has the most beautiful pools of the palm trees and the beautiful waves here on Playa Avellanas. The Coralis community here is super special. There are 26 properties with all luxury homes, and they share their own beach club. There you're gonna find an extra pool, a wonderful sitting area, and you're steps away from the beach. Not only that, you have access to the Hacienda Pinilla Beach Club as well. The waves are so mesmerizing and relaxing, you can literally hear them crashing right from your own pool deck. Away from the kitchen and the indoor dining, you're going to find this beautiful live edge Guanacaste table. It's a local hardwood here in Costa Rica. You can dine outside with this fresh air, and you have a brand new Spire barbecue to take on. This kitchen and dining room is not only beautiful, it was designed to entertain all your friends and family. Remember, this house sleeps 22 people. Check out this beautiful live edge table. It's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. And I love how they've designed green chairs to match the green cabinetry. Here you've got professional appliances, you've got a gas stove, plenty of room, plenty of space to entertain everybody. Here in the kitchen, you have a white sparkly granite countertop. You have 2-tone cupboards that have been imported, the green ones and the wood ones. Again, so many spaces, and you've got this wonderful coffee bar. If you want to entertain people, this is the perfect place. You can arrive to the 2nd floor either up this beautiful wood staircase, or there's an elevator here. Up here, there's 2 master suites. Let's go take a look at them. Walking into the first of 2 master suites, you're going to find a king bed. Here the furniture was all made with local hardwoods. You have a walk-in closet, 2 sinks, and a shower. And best of all, you have these patio doors with this amazing view of the ocean. Here is the 2nd level, 2nd master. You again have a king bed with beautiful hardwoods. Every bedroom you're going to find this nice desk, so if you have to work from here or just a place to set your things, you also have great sitting area to soak up these amazing views. I know it might seem like we're touring this house a little backwards. I wanted you to start on the top. Now we're going to go ahead downstairs. There's a social area and 5 more bedrooms down there. Let's go take a look. Here we are on the 1st level. Here's where you would come in. There's a covered carport. Everywhere you look, it's full of glass, just so you can soak up the beautiful views here in Costa Rica. On the lower level, you're going to find this huge social area with double height ceilings. Here you've got another one of these beautiful Guanacaste tables. You have a sitting area to play games, watch movies, a little kind of kitchenette here. And down here, you're also going to find 5 bedrooms and a secret outside. Right of the carport, you're going to find 2 bedrooms. Check this out. It's got a king bed with beautiful hardwoods. Again, every room has a fan and air conditioning, a desk and a TV, an ensuite bathroom, and patio doors that take you out to these amazing weather in Costa Rica. Here is bedroom number 4. Your guests can actually access it from inside the house or from outside. Again, King bed, beautiful custom furniture. You've got a desk area, TV, air conditioning, and you have an ensuite bathroom as well. Bedrooms 5 and bedroom 6 are identical. They have these great bunk beds with 2 queens on the bottom, singles on the top. You can come here and have the whole family stay here, or you can put all the kids in here. Let's check it out. And it has ocean view. And bedroom 7 is a little bit smaller than the other ones. Here you've got a queen bed, still have a desk, TV, fan, air conditioning, and ensuite bathroom. You've got these beautiful windows covered with palms. This would be a spot for guests or if you want to travel with a maid. And surprise, you have your own circular fire pit. Imagine, during the day, you're going for hikes, bike rides, you're golf karting around, you're swimming in the ocean, you're going surfing, you're hanging out in the pool, and at night, you come out here, you roast marshmallows, you're sharing stories, memories, singing songs. This is really, truly your best life. The courtyard is adorned with these beautiful spheres. It's a representative of Costa Rica's indigenous people. Nobody knows how they are made. They're super special and they're meant to bring good luck. Casa Guayacan got its name from this beautiful Guayacan tree. It's located in Lot 5 here in Coralis. You're literally across from the beach and steps away from your own beach club and the beautiful white sands of Playa Avianes. This is simply luxury, having your own beach club to share with 26 people. You've got this huge pool, great for swimming laps, a shallow pool just for dipping or if you've got kids, and you're steps away from world-class surf and amazing beach walks. From your home, you're steps away from the Coralis Beach Club, but also the Hacienda Beach Club. There you're going to find wonderful restaurants, a bar, a huge resort-style pool. They have surfboards you can sign up for the day, and they've got a gym so you can stay fit. Coralis is a quiet cul-de-sac. It's great for going for walks, or you can ride a bike in this area, and right behind there's a playground. You can send the kids out to play, so if you want to rent your house or have your kids and grandkids over, they've got something to do. Hacienda Pinilla is a wonderful place to get well and healthy. Here you're going to find it's 45 acres of outdoor jungle. You're going to be able to go for long bike rides, long walks, hike through nature. You've got tennis and pickleball. You've got a really great golf course that has ocean views. You've got bike trails. There's a gym. You're also going to see all kinds of nature here. I promise you, if you live here, you're going to see monkeys, iguanas, even cows here. This is a wonderful place here in Hacienda Pinilla. Hacienda Pinilla is 4,500 acres with several communities, and it's surrounded by 5 beaches. The 2 famous being Langosta and Playa Avianes. This is Playa Avianes, and it's literally steps away from your home. Here, it's got world-class surf. It's amazing for long beach walks, spectacular sunsets, and just relaxing in these Costa Rica days. If you would like to relax with me and join me in this luxury lifestyle and have Casa Guayacan be yours, then please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to speak with you and tell you all about this dream life. Be sure to subscribe below to watch more great videos like this. Have a great day. Pura vida!